My name is Jon Dawson, and I'm a general contractor here in Texas. Getting into this construction world, it was different for me. I went to college originally to play football. It was the NFL was the dream, and at the end of my time in college, I did the pro days and all that stuff, and it didn't really pan out. So construction was something that had always been like an undertone in my life. My dad owned a flooring store, so I worked with him a lot. So I had the skills. I had been doing it off and on throughout high school and college. Bought a house in college and remodeled it myself, and that was kind of that thing in the back of my head, being like, if football doesn't work out, like I could definitely do this as a business. So when I first started doing construction, people would always ask me, hey, how do you do this? And to explain that over text is really difficult. So I was like, you know what, I'll just make you a video. And people really started to like it. So then I just started intentionally creating content for a lot of the youth out there, because the trades have slowly lost their potency, in today's generation. And I think people make it seem like it's this grunt job, but it's actually really fun. And kids are getting excited about it. I mean, I have 15, 16-year-old people that message me every day, hey man, like I'm gonna remodel my bedroom, I'm thinking about doing this, this, and this. And they're diving into it and they're doing it themselves. And when they can step back and look at that, the validation they have and the encouragement they have, and it's huge. It really does impact kids a lot. It's just enjoying the grind, to be honest. I really do enjoy it, it's fun.